Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. Today is another cash stuffing for Wait a Minute Wednesdays, where we're stuffing mini challenges with two dice. One is a six-sided die, tells us which challenge to stuff, and the other is a five-sided dice to tell us how much to give each challenge. Now let's count the cash. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $25 that we're working with today. You notice there's no challenge for number 6. That was the last one that we completed. And instead of giving it a new challenge, whatever cash it accumulates, we'll allocate it to another one to get them fully funded sooner than later. Because this one by far is the largest. The goal is 140. This one is at 92. And so I've been trying to add in smaller challenges so we can finish them that much quicker. These been around from the beginning of the Wait a Minute Wednesday. If we can knock these out this month, that'd be great. So we're going to use that to do that. We'll put the cash here. We have a dice here. And let's just dive into it. Let's see how the dice is going to play us today. So challenge 1 is going to get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Challenge 5 is going to get 2. And I did reverse the order. Instead of 1 through 6, I did 6 through 1. And I like to switch up the placement just to add a little extra surprise. So challenge 5 again for 1. Challenge 1 for 3. Oop. This one didn't land on. Okay, I guess we'll count that as 2, but it was on the blank side. So challenge 4 for 2. Challenge 4 for 1. And not sure if you guys saw that, but challenge 5 for 1. I mean, we only got 3 players today so far. Challenge 6 for 3. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the party, challenge 6. And 1 for 1. Let me roll them separate. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, we got somebody gonna get 5. That might be the end of the game right there. Challenge 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we're down to $1. We're gonna remove the 5-sided dice and see who's gonna get this lucky dollar. Challenge 3. Okay. So nothing for challenge 5. That's okay. This is the newest challenge to the rotation, but it's pretty thick. Y'all see that? It's pretty thick in there. All right, so we'll put our dice away. We know who got the least, which was challenge 4 in position 3. Basically with this one, whatever we roll, that's what we write in. So $1. And one thing I love about just the roll and save, it's going to be unpredictable about how much you're going to save. So that's a little extra surprise along with the rolling. All right, so and I think 2 was the next in line with the least. So it has 4, no rollover, and The lowest number here is 5. So these $4 will just sit here for the next roll or the next stuffing. Actually, this was probably the least, the second least with 3. And it had $4 of rollover. So we have 4 here. Oh, I feel like this one was the most. So let's see what 6 got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 6 did get the most. This was the even number, which is perfect because every star is $2 here. So we can color in 4 stars. I think I'm just gonna finish off the top row here. All right. Oh, it had $1 left over. Or rollover, should I say. And that's that for challenge 3. And so, yes, we're gonna give these $9 to this challenge. So 9 and 4, that's 13. Dang it, $2 away from a 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 can go in, and we'll color 1 feather. And look at it, this is thick too. So before the video starts, week to week, usually I have like a 20 to start. And so I'll go through and condense these envelopes. But this time I didn't have any large bills, but if you guys can see how thick they are. So I do the condensing off camera and for these, and I just basically rinse and repeat with the ones that's in this challenge. But I'm happy to be having another row complete. You know, we getting close. So 3 for the next week, and we'll be that much closer. So it's looking better. It's looking better. Thank you all so much for tuning in yet again. And I will chat with you on the next one. Happy hump day, and wishing you a wonderful rest of the week so you can have a great weekend. Bye, you guys.